so many flashlights, but I found myself using the DeWALT flashlight the most. Well, you probably noticed there is a plastic on top. That is for diffusing purpose. That's a little hack. Without this plastic, there is a hot spot. Very uncomfortable to look at. So let's do some runtime test first. I used a UV security camera to record the whole process, just like the last time when I tested the DeWALT fan runtime on a 2-amp battery. Before the test, I made sure to use a fully recharged 2-amp battery and measured the voltage around 20.4 volts. I will measure its voltage again after it's fully depleted. I set it up around 11:48 a.m. You can see the timestamp at the top right corner. The light went out at 1:34 a.m. the next day. So I got 13 hours, 46 minutes of runtime. And let's check the battery voltage. I measured 15.7 volts after the flashlight shuts off. The design is extremely simple and familiar. Don't get me wrong, you can definitely get these more powerful flashlight for a lot cheaper or bigger, more features, but this thing is so useful because of its angle adjustable head. And it uses the same type of 20 volt batteries. So if you have these batteries around that you don't use much, it's a good idea to to keep them, still running using a little flashlight. And as a backup, if my drill or impact driver runs out of battery, I can quickly use this one as a backup, as the battery life on the flashlight lasts forever, like more than 11 hours. As we already tested. So yeah, I can highly recommend this little flashlight, especially when you get it from a tool set. There are a couple of other small features. You get the belt clip hook on both sides. I put a magnets here, so for mounting small tools or screws, extremely useful. You can even mount something larger. And it is also possible to add a little strap here, metal hooks for hanging, I highly recommend you add a small piece of plastic to diffuse this super bright hotspot, unless you really want to use it for range. Otherwise, I would always keep this thing on, secure it with rubber bands. Yeah, it cost me almost nothing, but making this flashlight so much more useful. No more hotspot. And less range, of course. If you find this review helpful, please smash the like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Thank you very much for watching.